Kanyam Darjeeling Tour 2024. Watch the video.
Hi, I am Madhurima Basu and this is 13th November 2024. I am in Darjeeling, that is the malaria. There are lots of changes over here. So I'm going to share my tour details, but first of all I will tell you that it is going to be a long video and you have to watch more videos for the tour details because we have the alteration of the tour. So first of all, 11th July 2024, I booked the train for 8th November, Uttar Bongo Express, Shialda to NGP. And after booking of that, 12th July, I booked the Hotel Revolver for Darjeeling, for our stay in Darjeeling. And I will forget, that's why I have to write it down. And 17th of July, I booked the return ticket of, let me see which train I have, Tista Tosha for 14th of November. And this is the tour, what I said that international and without passport Bidesh Bhraman. So we went to Kannam and Sri Antu. For most of the people, they do the visit for when they are coming back from Darjeeling or Mirik, they just do the visit of Kannam. And but I stayed in Sri Antu, and most people stay in Kannam. Sri Antu, very rare people stay there. And thankful to Mr. Dipankar Das, I got to know about this tour last year in 2023. He went there and stayed in Facebook group, travel group. He told me that I can stay in Sri Antu because I can go for the sunrise. So what we did, 8th of November, our train started, and 9th of November, we reached NGP. And from NGP, we went to first we went to Gopaldhara Tea Garden because we have to cross the Gopaldhara. So we just second time. This is the second time I went to Gopaldhara Tea Garden. It was not in our tour, but Rajeshji took us there, and we had a tea break. And from Gopaldhara directly we went to Pashupati. So there was a problem. I was looking for driver for Nepal. So what there were two options. Either I have to take a driver who will drop towards Pashupati, and from there I have to book a car of Nepal. Second option was our car will do the Vansar. So Vansar means the permit. In Pashupati gate, me, mom and dad, we have to carry original Aadhaar and voter I card. So they just saw the Aadhaar and voter I card and they took any one mobile number. So I give my mobile number. And then they asked me that how many people, adults are going, how many male and female. That's it. We don't have to sign any form or nothing like that. So in the detailed video, I explained everything. So the Vansar, Rajeshji had to do the Vansar. So the Vansar is 400 rupees Indian currency plus 20 rupees and then 350 rupees temporary vehicle permit for the day. That was he has to pay. And then we enter Kannam, and the Sri Antu hotel charge, that is 3000 NPR, means Nepali currency. When you will convert that in Indian currency, that will coming to 1817, I guess so. Yeah, sorry, 1867 rupees, 3000 rupees NPR, and Indian currency 1867 rupees, and I paid 933 rupees in advance by GPay. So in Kannam or Sri Antu, you have to talk to them over the WhatsApp because it's international call. So from there, 9th, what we did when we entered there, I saw that big Buddha statue, and then I got to know there is Surudaya Adventure where we can do adventure sports. So I did the zip line over there. So that is also in the coming video is there. And from there we had a lunch in a Nepali restaurant over there. And then we checked in into Sri Antu Hotel Paradise. And in between, that's it. And 10th, my dad and I went there, the Antudara, that is the sunrise point. So I choose that Paradise Resort because we don't have to walk till that point, but from the base to the sunrise point, that is approximate 4 kilometer. I have to walk. There is a horse as well. If you want, you can take a horse and then you can go and reach there. So by 6:10 there is a sunrise. It was not that cold, and then we came back. We had some breakfast, Nepali breakfast over there, and we came back to our hotel. Check out 8:30 a.m. That is, I'm talking about 10th of November. And then I saw that the Sri Antu Lake or Antu Pokhri. This is kind of Mirik, but the smaller one. So after that, I visited the Nepal Glass Bridge, and then the Nepal car dropped me in Pashupati market. And from there, Rajeshji picked up, and from there we went to Shimanadara viewpoint. That is also second time I was visiting over there. And then uh, we had breakfast over there, and after that we went to Gumbadara viewpoint. And on the way to Lamahata, that Lamahata is the third time for us, and that is the last time maybe. So from Lamahata, on the way to Lamahata, we saw a branch of Dali Monastery in making. So Dad and me went for the Lamahata hike for the third time, and then we had a lunch in a restaurant over there, a Bengali restaurant, Lamahata Lalmohon. But I found that is very expensive. Food was okayish, but according to that, it was very expensive. So we checked into Hotel Revolver in Darjeeling by 5:15 p.m. And then 10th is done. So many alterations that I will forget. 11th, 8 a.m. we had the puri sabji in my father's favorite Ankit Itari, and after that. And for the oh, by the way, I forgot that in Nepal we always buy a tea from Darjeeling, but I bought tea from Nepal, Kanyam as well. There are so many stalls, and I was wearing the Nepali attire as well. And in Kanyam and Sriyantu, you can easily do the money exchange. You can convert money to Nepal currency, or you can buy with the Indian. You have to just calculate the thing. So in if Indian currency, if it's 100 rupees, Nepal currency that will be 160 rupees. So you have to do the calculation. And no net Wi-Fi is there in the hotel. So back to where I am, that 11th. And my father always wanted to go to Shitong. He wanted to go for the Orange Garden. I always said no, because I know the road is not good. It's really bumpy, really bad, pathetic road. My mom cannot make it, but still he wanted to do it since 21. So this time I said, okay, fine, let's go to Sitong. So we went to Sitong. It was really a hectic journey, but there was no as such. With every house there is a small garden. So with the 50 rupees per head, they will let you in inside their garden, and you can see few oranges. That's it. So I don't know if it's worth it or not. That is my personal opinion. Uh, because my father wanted to go, so we went there, but it was really very hectic. The journey was not worth it for us going there. And because on the way to anywhere in Darjeeling, the same way you can see Kanchenjunga, the same way you can see orange everywhere. So we have to pay 150 rupees to see small, it's not a garden, you can say 2-3 plants, and that's it. From Sitong, we came to Mongpur Robindra Bhavan. Ticket price is 25 rupees. That was really good. And we had a lunch with YY in the roadside small eatery. And we checked into Revolver, and then 4 p.m. we went to Caventer's. We had some evening snacks, and we had that dinner from Padma restaurant. And by the way, 11th our CM came here in Darjeeling. Saras Mela in the Darjeeling is going on. It will start from 13th and till 17th. So you can say I can be a part of some historical thing, you can say. So that was done. 12th, 8 a.m. we went for the ropeway ride. This is also for the second time we went for the ropeway ride. Ticket price is 260 rupees, and every day they allot 500 tickets. Ticket timing starts from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. But if 500 ticket is done before 1 p.m., they will close the ticket counter. Ride starts at 10 a.m. and 19th of every month, Ropo is closed. So you have to plan accordingly. I bought some tea that is from their Ropeway, which I always have from a lady. There are many lady selling the teas. It's good. From 2021 I'm buying this, and I bought some gift, and I had momo as well. And next we went to Badam Town Tea Factory. So that was a really hectic road. I saw in social media some people write it's very good, you can enter. No, that was a wrong. You cannot enter Badantam factory, not even you can click picture over there, not from outside either. You need permission. So going to Badamtam, it's not worth it. But you can smell the tea as well. The factory is huge. And I saw about Badamtam Monastery. Went there. This is not also worth it. The monastery was closed. The path I will show in the video which I recorded. So you cannot go to the monastery. You can go, but it's not worth it. It's not a big one. Even it was closed. Every day somebody do the prayer and something like that, but it's not worth it. So when you are checking social media, if this is a request to everybody, if you're checking through social media, just try to do the social media influencer and everybody, the way you are editing, they are editing all the time, it's not right. So I faced it many times. So what I always prefer to do in my videos, there won't be any edit. There will be so many chaos. You can see sound, you can see the bumpy road. So at least you can decide, okay, this is, I'm not discouraging, I'm not encouraging, but you can see what is all about. I consider myself as a traveler, not as a tourist. So I will show you the proper way. This is how I am going, so that you can see the place, you can decide whether you want to go or not. As I'm coming here for the 5 times, so almost it's 90% I'm done with the Darjeeling, all the places. So some of the places I am seeing 2 times. 2011 I was almost a kid, so that was the 7 point visit, that's it, there was no nothing. But 2021 till 2024, I'm going to the places, I'm doing the research every time, and then I'm making the plans. So what I will say, that whenever you are going somewhere, just don't ask anybody, make it a plan, go through the videos. Everybody, you can check my videos, you can check my tour plans or others plan, and then you decide and talk to the people, how to do this, is it okay for me or not. But don't ask me, can I take my 5 months or 1 year old kid to here? No, that will be decided by your doctor and your family. That question I cannot give answer of that. So today is 13th of November, last day at Darjeeling. And today this is a rest day because my mother is not feeling well due to this hectic journey. As I said, that I don't know the places. Even our driver Rajesh ji, he also does not know many places which I suggest him, and he is also very cooperating. So when people are going with him, they are also very satisfied through Facebook. I'm not promoting anybody but I'm sharing my experience. And Revolver, Hotel Revolver, they will have another suit in the making. Maybe end of November they will start that. I will later show in the video. That is the Inaya suit. 6 people can stay over there. Charges will be right now 4,500. It's not per head, the suit charge, where 6 people can stay at 4,500 per night plus 12% GST. So that will start very soon. So it is in the making. So I'm lucky enough that I'm sharing that. Will share about the suit, Inaya suit. So 13th is the rest day. And one more thing, what I saw, we don't like here we cannot see the hawkers, and Mohakal market is not there. So many people say the Darjeeling lost their charm, but I can say change is constant. I'm not the right person to decide that is it good or bad. Personally, what we can say, like, I have my own house, but due to some condition we have to convert it to the flat. So flat means the apartment. So it's a rebuild, so something like that. Same thing, the new generations are coming. I know from 2011 2024 I have seen lots of changes in Darjeeling. You can see the malaria, you never seen like this before in my previous videos. So my camera person, my mother is taking the video all the time, she's doing, so she's trying to show it. There is the Saras Mela. This is the first time it's happening in Darjeeling, 13th to 17th November 2024. So I'm lucky enough that this is also a historical moment. You know, I am beyond politics. I'm not what is good, what is bad. I'm not saying that. Change is needed, as I said. So this time Saras Mela is here. Maybe Darjeeling people can see what is Saras Mela or something like that. And yes, the hawkers thing. They say that they are the life. Obviously, when 2020, 2011, when I came here, so I saw the in the boulevard the hawkers are sitting there. Then they shifted. So right now it's not there. So you can see some of the hawkers. They are sitting in front of clock towers after 7:30 p.m. Even in Ladendar Road, you can buy good stuff. The woolen scarf, this woolen scarf, sweater, everything you can buy from there. And about the hawkers, yes, the food stalls are not there. You can find them in Chowk Bazar area, some in Upper Tangsang Road, and maybe 13th to 17th you cannot see the food stalls. After that I don't know. And the hawkers are scattered. You can find them near Ghum Monastery, not the old one, and some DHR, near DHR station. So you can find them. So it's up to them, up to the authority, where they will relocate them. Right now, some last year I have seen some of them are in Bhanu Bhavan, near Bhanu Bhavan. So that is a temporary one. So I don't know where they will be shifted permanently. Maybe near future if I'll come to Darjeeling. I don't know if I'm coming or not. So we can see something else. So everywhere. even in Kolkata, in you can say in Goriahat, we saw the boulevard and then the hawkers are shifted. So everybody will be there. But I think that they will be here very soon. The place, which place I don't know. Maybe somebody else can enlighten us who will come to Darjeeling. But don't say that Darjeeling lost the charm. It is not nothing like that. সব কিছুরই একটা ভালো মন্দ মিলিয়ে মিশিয়ে থাকে, যেটা প্রত্যেক জেনারেশনের সঙ্গে চেঞ্জ হয়। লাইক ইফ উই আর এক্সপেক্টিং দ্যাট লাইক what I can say, cave enters. New generation, they don't like the menu or taste, some of them, but we like it. So it depends. The taste depends on person. So similarly, এখানে যেরকম এখন এই মুহূর্তে একটা মেলা হচ্ছে, 11th CM এসছে. Yesterday I saw we were stuck in the traffic jam, but what the positive thing, nobody is honking. We had to wait for 1 hour because CM is there for the security reason. The few roads are closed. We have to মানে অনেকটা ঘুরে ঘুরে আসতে হচ্ছে, but everybody was waiting patiently. They are not honking, they are not shouting. So good thing, we have to adopt, definitely. And I think CM will go back on 14th of November, the same day. We have to leave Darjeeling early, 9th of within 9 a.m. we have to leave. Otherwise, we cannot catch our train. It can be possible. So, a good thing. Another good thing. This is in this year in Kanyam. They don't know me, but the auntie gifted me chocolate, so I have Nepali chocolate. And in Ropeway, one more thing. I'm buying tea from the lady, so she gifted me chocolates. And her daughter is studying medical. She's a medical student in Kolkata, a famous medical college, government medical college. She's studying. So every 3 months, the lady is going to Kolkata. She told me next time when she will come, she will definitely meet me. So this is the thing. We have the bonding. Even in Revolver, Eden, I have a bonding with them. So ভালো মন্দ মিশে সমস্ত কিছু হয়. And then our driver Rajesh ji, his son is going to join Indian Army. He's in the training. His daughter and son-in-law, they are working with a big brand medicine company in Sikkim. I cannot promote, so I cannot take the name. So they are working there, and their grandson is staying with them. So what I can say, driver ho ki momo seller, respect them. কারণ নিউ জেনারেশন, তারা প্রত্যেকে কিন্তু they are very educated. They love Darjeeling. At the same time, they are trying to accept the new thing, and they are trying to hold the old thing as well. So change, we have to accept. We cannot expect. Obviously, I don't like the small first day, but later on when I spoke to everybody, I feel okay, fine, change is good. It's not bad either. So this is it. And lastly, what I can say, this is the first time I am saying you must subscribe to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. That is a YouTube channel. The reason is that because this time the tour is very elaborated, and this is the only long video I'm posting. And after that, you will see the places. As I said, you can see exactly how it is. So you can and you can get contacts number in the description box. So you don't have to ask me question. Yeah, definitely. If you want to ask, you can ask me question, but no personal question like what is the cost, খরচ কত হলো, sorry. Because as I said, I'm coming here for so many times. So what is the charges I'm getting, or the way I'm uh, I mean going with the people, so that is different. But rest of the thing and depends on the season. So the charges are depending on the season. So you just go through the videos. You can go through my Facebook page, Madhurima's Kitchen, or Madhurima Rimax Basu. That is my Facebook profile. You can go through it. For the short video, you can check Madhurima's Kitchen. That is in Instagram. So you have lots of options. You can check it. And I will try to elaborate this, but definitely it will take time, at least 1 month, because I have to go back to work after the vacation is over. So 13 today will be the rest day, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Already I have done with my tea shopping. So in the next coming videos, if you go through the playlist, there will be the playlist of 2021, 23, 24. So that will be Darjeeling Kanyam to 2024. You just save the playlist so that once the video is coming, you can get the information. So that's it. And I'm not saying bye to Darjeeling right now. Tomorrow I'll say bye to the Darjeeling. And so I'm just going back, and today I'm going to Mohakal. And in the small videos, in the coming videos, I will show you what I did in 13th of November. So that's it. That is my tour. I'm sorry that is a long video, but I have to say it. So till then, bye.